Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to show you how to change Cure Auto Insurance account password. We will also put links in the description below for various low-cost auto insurance options. To start, open the website cure.com. Then click on Login. Now, log in with your username or email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for your account. Under it is an option that says Change Settings. Click on Change Settings. Here, you will see your account information. Under the Password section, click on the option that says Change Password. On the first field, enter your current password. Then on the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. Enter it again on the third field to confirm. Once entered, click on the button that says Change. That's how you change your Cure Auto Insurance account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.